Hello everyone, and welcome to today's flexibility flow. So let's begin. So we'll start by coming up to standing, widening the stance, bringing the hands into prayer position, and then bending down into Malasana. So you can stay here or placing the left hand onto the ground, reaching up with the right. Just moving with whatever feels the most comfortable for your body. Gently release, and we'll switch sides. Gently release, and then coming back up to standing, heel toe the feet in. We'll move into a forward fold, keeping a slight bend in the knees. Don't worry if your hands can't quite touch the ground. Just moving until you feel a slight sensation in the backs of the legs. And gently release. So bending down further, placing the hands onto the mat, we'll step back into downward dog. And paddling through the legs. And holding. And then lifting up the left foot, bringing it through the body, we'll move into a low lunge. So lifting the arms up, gently pressing the body weight forwards, reaching the left hand down and coming into a side stretch, reaching the right hand up and over the head. The gaze moves up. And if your hand can't quite touch the ground, just using some blocks or holding on to something to balance. And gently release, moving into half split, keeping a slight bend in the knee, placing the right hand on the ground, or reach the left hand up. So this pose can be quite intense, so just moving at your own pace, not forcing anything. And gently release. We'll step back into downward dog. And then stepping the right foot forwards, coming down into a low lunge, lift the arms up above the head, and again reaching the right hand down, lifting the left hand up and over, coming into a gentle side stretch. Gently release, moving into half split, so keeping the left hand on the mat, reach the right hand up, gaze moves up. Keeping the breath steady. And gently release. Tucking the right knee in, we'll move into a wide leg forward fold. So you can stay up here, or if it's available, walk the hands forward. Just moving until you feel a slight sensation in the backs of the legs. and gently release, coming back up. And thank you so much for joining me today. I really hope to see you again soon.